Okay, so some of you are struggling a little bit with some of the questions on the loop cards. Okay, so I'm going to go through card 2 with you just so that you can see how to work out this particular question here. So if you have a look, you've got the fact that we have to add and subtract a fraction together. So we need to have a common denominator. So we've got x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. So that's where this bit comes from. The first fraction has actually all been multiplied by x plus 1. And we do the same thing to the numerator as we do for the denominator. And the second fraction, everything's been multiplied by x plus 3. We then write it as one fraction with a common denominator. Just be careful that you've got that subtract sign in the middle there. And then you want to expand your bracket. So the first bit's nice and easy, 2x squared plus 2x. Keep the subtract. And then I'm going to expand the second set of brackets, but keep them in a set of brackets there. So I'll end up with x squared plus 3x minus 3, and just be aware that that bit would simplify to give us plus 2x. And then I want to deal with this negative. So I'll end up with 2x squared plus 2x minus x squared, minus plus 2x and minus 2x, and minus 3 plus 3. So that's where quite a few of you are likely to make mistakes, so just be careful with that one. And if you expanded the bottom set of brackets as well and simplified them, you'll get x squared plus 4x plus 3. We then want to simplify our numerator as much as possible. So we end up with 2x squared, take away x squared to give me x squared. 2x take 2x will cancel, and plus 3 left on the end, all over the numerator, equals a half. Then multiply both sides by the denominator. That will alleviate the fact that we have a fraction, giving us x squared plus 3 equals a half of what the denominator was. To get rid of the half, I then multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so 2 lots of x squared plus 3 equals, remember the half times 2 will cancel, leaving us with just x squared plus 4x plus 3. And then we need to expand our brackets. And we know it's a quadratic equation, so we're aiming for one side to equal 0. So I'm going to make the right-hand side 0 because it's got the smallest number of x squareds, and I don't want to deal with any negative ones of those. So subtract x squared from both sides. It's going to give me x squared plus 6 equals 4x plus 3. And then in one step, I've taken away the 4x and taken away the 3 from both sides. That will leave me with x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So we're in a position now where we can factorize. So you can use your cross method to get things to add to make times to make positive 3. We need negative 3 times negative 1. We cross multiply. X times minus 1 will give us minus x. X times minus 3 will give us minus 3x. That will add to give us the minus 4x, so we know that's right. The top two go in a bracket together, and the bottom two go in a bracket together. And then you put each bracket equal to 0 like you would to solve from factorizing, and rearrange it to get it x equals. So your solutions then should be x equals 3 and x equals 1. If you've got any further questions, please let me know.